All right, everybody, let's stretch out our bodies in a silly, silly way. Everybody, let's start silly stretching. So first of all, let's roll our head around, roll your head around, and go the other way. If your head falls off, I'll give you some glue. You can glue it back on. Who said their head fell off? Really? All right, hold on a second. Oh. There's my glue. Ready? I'm going to give you glue. Here's some glue for you, some glue for you, some glue for you, some glue for you. All right, good. Take the glue, put it on your neck. Put it on your neck like this. All right, everybody say, check the neck. Good job. Let's check our neck. Everybody go tick, tock, 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 tick, tock. What are you, alarm clocks? You're just silly. All right, ready, everybody? Let's roll our shoulders forward and roll our shoulders back and roll our shoulders forward and roll our shoulders back. And everybody take a big breath in and give yourself a hug. If you love ice cream, say, I love you, ice cream. What else do you guys love? Oh, I heard someone say pizza. Everybody ready? Give pizza a hug. Say, I love you, pizza. All right, awesome. Now, how many of you love yourselves? I love myself a lot, so I'm going to give myself an energy hug. Do you want to be a superpower hero like me? You guys already are, but I'm going to show you how to make energy. Everybody take your hands like this, put your fingers together, put your hands together, rub your hands together, rub your hands together. Do you feel them getting hotter? This is making heat. This is making energy. Now all of a sudden, pull your hands apart. Do you feel that between your hands? You feel that just like that? That feels so cool. That's called energy. It's like pushing and pulling in your hands. So now pull it apart just like this and give yourself a big hug. Everybody say, I love you, me. Awesome. Now give yourself another energy hug again. Rub your hands together. We're going to give our belly a hug. That's where our ki, our chi, our energy comes from. Give yourself a big belly hug. Go, I love you, belly. Oh, that feels so nice. All right, let's warm up a little bit. Let's go for a swim. Now, we're in the shallow part of the water. Is the shallow part where the big animals are, or is the shallow part where the small animals are? Good job. Everyone say, hi, seahorse. Everybody say, hi, starfish. Oh, it is starfish. It's Patrick. Hi, SpongeBob. All right, and everybody, let's keep swimming. Now we're in the deep water. I don't want to scare you. There's a shark behind you. Everybody swim. Swim, 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 swim. Oh, the shark's in front of you. Swim backwards, swim backwards. Everybody fly out of the water. Whoosh, fly this way. Whoosh, fly this way. Whoosh. Everybody superhero landing. Awesome. And everybody, if you like spaghetti and meatballs, say me, sir. Ooh, if you like spaghetti and cheese, say me, sir. Cool. If you like spaghetti and squirrel, say me, sir. Who likes spaghetti and squirrel? That's disgusting. Blah. All right, now ready? Everybody make a rainbow this way. Everyone say, her, her, her. Everybody go, hi, hi, hi. Everybody go, ho, ho, ho. What are you, Santa Clauses? Ha, 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 ha. Everybody go, hoo, hoo, hoo. What are you, a bunch of owls? I don't give a hoot, just being silly. All right, everyone make your chicken beaks like this. Buck. Everybody go, buck, buck, buck. Ready? And we're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody go, peck, 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 peck. And we're going to pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. Woo-hoo, and go pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. Ew, why are you picking your noses? That's disgusting. Ha, 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 ha. All right, put your knees together, and we're going to do little knee circles. We're going to do little knee circles just like this, just to make our knees feel better. Now we're going to open our knees apart. We're going to do big knee circles. And then about to move the knees around, and these go the other way. And now we're going to do mini knee circles, everybody. I want you to just bring your knees around and just... And last thing we're going to do is we're going to balance. We're going to make our ankles stronger. So when we start drumming on one leg, drum faster. Ready? Watch. Oh. Oh. Good balancing. Try the other foot. Ready? Start drumming. Oh. Oh. Def Leppard drumming. Some of your teachers and parents got that one. You guys did an awesome job today. Great job with your silly stretching. Everybody give yourself a high five. Give me a high five. And everybody breathe in. Namaste. Aya!